Hey, Emma, how's your day going?
Hi, Alex. It's good. Just busy with classes. How about you?
Same here. I have a lot of reading to do for my history class.
Oh yeah, I have a biology lab later. It's always interesting to learn about cells and stuff.
That sounds cool. I'm more into studying ancient civilizations.
That's neat. So, what do you usually do after class?
I usually grab a quick bite to eat at the cafeteria before heading to the library to study. What about you?
I like to go for a run at the gym and then hit the library too. It helps me clear my mind before hitting the books.
Nice. Exercise is important for staying focused. Hey, do you want to study together later?
Sure, that sounds great. We can quiz each other on the material.
Awesome. Let's meet up at the library after our classes are done.
Sounds like a plan, Alex. See you there.
Sounds good, Emma. Oh, by the way, have you heard about the upcoming career fair next week?
Yeah, I saw the poster about it. I'm thinking of checking it out to see if there are any internships available in the medical field. What about you?
I'm definitely going. I want to explore teaching opportunities and see if there are any education-related workshops or seminars.
That's smart, Alex. It's never too early to start thinking about our future careers.
Exactly. Plus, it'll be a great chance to network with professionals in our fields of interest.
Definitely. I'll make sure to update my resume and prepare some questions to ask at the fair.
Good idea. Let's make the most of it and take another step towards our future goals.
Absolutely. Together, we can achieve anything, Alex.
Totally, Emma. I'm glad we're both on this journey together. See you at the fair.
See you there, Alex. Let's rock it.
Absolutely, Emma. We'll rock it for sure. Oh. And speaking of plans, have you thought about what you want to do this weekend?
Not yet. I was thinking of catching up on some studying and maybe going for a hike on Sunday. How about you?
That sounds nice. I have a group project to work on. But I was also thinking of checking out the new cafe downtown on Saturday. Maybe we could go together.
That sounds like fun, Alex. I'd love to join you. It'll be a nice break from all the studying.
Great. We can grab a coffee and some pastries while we chat and relax.
Sounds perfect. Let's make it a date, Alex.
You got it. Emma, it's a date. Looking forward to it.
Me too, Alex. See you on Saturday.
Can't wait. It's going to be a fantastic day.
Agreed, Alex.
I'm glad we're going to spend some time together. Outside of university, it's always fun hanging out with you, Emma.
Yeah, same here, Alex. We always have a great time together. Plus, exploring the city and trying out new cafes sounds like the perfect way to unwind.
Definitely, and who knows? We might even discover some hidden gems in the city that we didn't know about before.
That would be awesome. I love discovering new places, especially with a good friend like you by my side.
Aw, thanks, Emma. You're a great friend too. I'm really grateful to have you in my life.
Likewise, Alex. Well, let's make sure we make the most of this weekend. It's going to be epic.
So, Emma, have you thought about what else we could do this weekend? Maybe we could check out that new art exhibit downtown.
Oh, that sounds like a fantastic idea. I've heard great things about it. Plus, it'll be a nice change of pace from our usual hangout spots.
Exactly. It's always refreshing to switch things up and try something new. And who knows? We might discover some inspiration for our own creative projects.
Totally. I love how we're always on the same page when it comes to exploring and trying new things. It makes our adventures even more memorable.
And hey, if we have some downtime, maybe we could even brainstorm some ideas for that school project we've been talking about.
That's a great plan. It'll be the perfect opportunity to bounce ideas off each other and come up with something truly awesome.
I couldn't agree more. I'm really looking forward to spending this weekend with you, Emma. It's going to be one for the books.
Me too, Alex. It's going to be epic, as always. I can't wait to see where our adventures take us this time.
Well, whatever we end up doing, I know it's going to be amazing as long as we're together. Thanks for being such an awesome friend. Emma.
Right back at you, Alex. Here's to an unforgettable weekend ahead.
Emma, how about that rooftop garden I mentioned? It has an amazing view of the city skyline.
Sounds great. Rooftop views at sunset are mesmerizing.
They have cozy seating too. Perfect for relaxing and enjoying the scenery.
I'm in, imagining us there, sipping hot cocoa as the city lights twinkle.
It'd be like a dream. Maybe we'll even see shooting stars.
That'd be magical, like a movie scene.
Moments like these make me grateful for our friendship.
Absolutely, Alex. Here's to more adventures and unforgettable memories.
Emma, have you ever been to that bookstore on Elm Street? I heard they have a great selection of vintage books.
No, I haven't, but that sounds amazing. I love exploring bookstores, especially ones with unique finds.
Yeah. And I read they also host book readings and author signings occasionally. It could be a cool place to hang out.
Definitely. We could spend hours browsing through the shelves and maybe even discover some hidden gems.
Exactly. Plus, it's always nice to support local businesses, especially ones that promote literature and culture.
Absolutely. I'm all for it. Let's make it a plan for this weekend.
Sounds like a date. I can't wait to dive into some new books with you, Emma.
Me too, Alex. It's going to be a book lover's paradise.
Absolutely. Emma, see you on Saturday.
Can't wait. See you then, Alex.
Emma, isn't this place amazing? So many books to explore.
Absolutely, Alex. I could spend hours here. Let's start browsing and see what treasures we can find.
Look at this classic novel I found. It's one of my favorites.
And check out this collection of poetry. It looks stunning.
Wow, they even have a cafe here. How about we grab a coffee and sit down to flip through our books?
Sounds perfect, Alex. Let's make ourselves comfortable and enjoy the literary escape.
This is so relaxing. Emma, I'm glad we decided to come here today.
Me too, Alex. It's moments like these that make me appreciate our friendship even more.
Absolutely. Here's to many more book adventures together, Emma.
Cheers to that, Alex. And to today, may it be filled with literary discoveries and cozy moments.
Emma, look over there. They have a section dedicated to local authors. Let's see if we can find any hidden.
That's a fantastic idea, Alex. Supporting local talent is always rewarding.
Check out this novel by a local author. The plot sounds intriguing.
And look at this poetry collection. The author's words are so beautifully crafted.
Emma, I'm so glad we came here today. It was an enriching experience.
Me too, Alex. Let's make it a tradition to visit local bookstores and discover new authors together.
I'm all for it. Here's to many more literary adventures, Emma.
Cheers to that, Alex, and to supporting our local community one book at a time.
Emma, do you remember that coffee shop we passed by earlier? The one with the cozy atmosphere and delicious pastries.
Yes, I do. It looked inviting. How about we grab a coffee there and discuss the books we bought?
That sounds like a wonderful idea. A warm drink and some sweet treats would be the perfect way to end our day.
Alex, I'm so excited to hear about the book you found. Tell me all about it.
Well, it's a mystery novel set in a small town with quirky characters and unexpected plot twists. I think you'll love it.
That sounds right up my alley. And what about the poetry collection you picked up?
It's a compilation of contemporary poems exploring themes of love, loss, and self-discovery. The language is incredibly beautiful.
Wow, I can't wait to borrow it from you once you're done. It sounds like the perfect read for cozy nights in.
Emma, I'm grateful for days like today spent exploring bookstores and enjoying each other's company.
Me too, Alex. It's moments like these that make life so special. Here's to many more bookish adventures together.